Super nice 2013 Toyota 4Runner SR5 7-passenger SUV. Pearl white paint, nice aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows, running boards, door window visors, roof rack crossbars, rear bumper protector with tow hitch trailer package, third row seating, power tailgate glass, custom upgraded black leather seating, carpeted floor mats throughout, power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver's seat adjustments, backup parking sensors, large upgraded touchscreen with Android Auto on it, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, just over 175,000 miles. Come by and see us at U Cars. You'll be saying my hips don't lie.